What's the meaning of ad hoc? Ad hoc. Ad hoc. Ad hoc. Ad hoc. Ad hoc. The term ad hoc is often used to describe something that is created or done for a specific purpose, often without prior planning or preparation. It can refer to a temporary solution put together quickly to address an immediate problem or need. The phrase is commonly used in fields such as business, law, and government to describe projects or committees that are formed to deal with a specific issue, rather than being a permanent part of an organization's structure. Overall, ad hoc emphasizes the responsiveness and flexibility required to address unexpected situations or challenges.